Welcome to Motivation at Hand, Ma. To know is to know how. In a realm where love resides, where hearts entwine and souls confide, there lies a truth, both bright and dark, a paradox that leaves its mark. For love, the ember in our veins, can lead us down perplexing lanes. With energy it fuels our fire, yet sometimes stokes our dark desire. In this intricate dance we find that love can cloud the rational mind, when core information is misconstrued by those who wish to misinform, delude. With compassion as our tender guide, we yearn to belong, side by side. For in our essence, we seek connection, a primal urge, a human reflection. So it happens, in this quest, that love's intoxication can divest the clarity of right and wrong, as we navigate where we belong. But let us not condemn this part, the tender whispers of the heart. For love's embrace, a force so strong, can both uplift and lead us wrong. For in the tapestry of human race, love's complexity finds its place. Even though it tempts us to transgress, its core essence brings tenderness. So let us strive, with open eyes, to navigate love's sweetest ties, to weigh the choices that we make, the path of compassion, to partake. For love's allure, both light and shade, can guide us true or make us sway. But in its essence, let us find the power to unite and be kind. On the Weekend Show, a part of Midas Touch YouTube channel, with Anthony Davis's interview with Dr. Stephen Hassan, explore the intriguing topic of the cult of Trump and its connection to the Trump movement, a renowned expert in the field of cults and mind control. Motivation at Hand aims to explore the phenomenon of the MAGA Make America Great Again movement and its cult-like characteristics. Participants will gain an understanding of the influence, brainwashing techniques, and propaganda employed within the movement, which is funded by billionaires who profit from the discord from MAGA. We offer this advice from a professional, Dr. Stephen Hassan, who was a member of the Unification Church, the Moonies occult. Disentangled from the Moonies cult. Moonies, cult of personality, vertical bar, mass weddings and cult accusations. Who are the Moonies? What is the Unification Church? And proceeded in his own healing processes, to ultimately garner educational prerequisites for the technical skills and personal experience to provide us his methodology for recovery. He provides strategies for deprogramming and engaging with individuals who hold extremist beliefs within MAGA. Dr. Stephen Hassan, a renowned expert in the field of cults and mind control. Let's explore the intriguing topic of the cult of Trump and its connection to the Trump movement. Dr. Hassan sheds light on the secrets of MAGA brainwashing, providing valuable insights on how to engage with the increasingly hostile and extremist MAGA Republicans. One crucial aspect he emphasizes is the influence of Russian propaganda on right-wing lawmakers, shaping their beliefs and actions. Dr. Hassan emphasizes the importance of education as a means of deprogramming individuals who have been misled. Through his years of research and experience, Dr. Hassan has developed courses aimed at educating professionals on associative disorders, phobias, and the necessary steps to help individuals affected by cults, including the cult of Trump. His courses have proven effective in providing former members and the general public with the tools needed to regain their autonomy. Dr. Hassan's exploration extends beyond Trump-related cults. He has delved into the relationship between religion, extremism, fundamentalism, and cults, uncovering the dangers associated with these ideologies. In particular, he addresses the rise of Christian nationalism within the MAGA movement, highlighting the potential harm it poses to democratic values, human rights, and social cohesion. Furthermore, Dr. Hassan challenges the narrow mindset that dictates one can only be considered a true American if they align with a specific set of characteristics, being white, Christian, heterosexual and Republican. 10 strategies to use while we live in MAGA America. 1. He advocates for inclusivity, diversity, and the importance of nuance in our understanding of each other. It is crucial to note that Dr. Hassan's work does not aim to attack religious beliefs but rather to criticize extremist ideologies that manipulate and exploit individuals. He urges us to recognize the historical context of our nation's founding, acknowledging the injustices committed against indigenous peoples and the need for truth and reconciliation. In our pursuit of a resilient democracy, Dr. Hassan highlights the significance of engaging with the younger generation, promoting critical thinking, and fostering a culture of compassion and forgiveness. By challenging misinformation and actively seeking truth, we can safeguard our democratic values and prevent the rise of destructive mind control practices. He affords us the opportunity to delve into the fascinating work of Dr. Stephen Hassan, a distinguished expert in the field of cults and mind control. He opens doors to explore the profound and thought-provoking topic of the cult of Trump and its association with the Trump movement. He lays the foundation by discussing the defining characteristics of cults and exploring how they intersect with politics, particularly the cult-like behavior observed within the mega movement. We will gain an overview of the movement and its impact on society. 2. We will dive deeper into understanding the influential power and brainwashing techniques employed by cults. Dr. Hassan enlightens us on the psychological aspects of indoctrination and mind control, and we will explore how these concepts apply specifically to the MAGA movement. In order that we can recognize MAGA's historic power inside the media, inside government, and our human need to belong and to adhere to their definitions of who is a part, and what it takes to be a part and successful within a cult. 3. Dr. Hassan sheds light on the role of propaganda and disinformation in shaping the beliefs of right-wing lawmakers. He analyzes the influence of Russian propaganda and media manipulation on the MAGA movement, and discusses strategies for recognizing and countering such propaganda. He focuses on the cult of personality surrounding Donald Trump. Dr. Hassan will analyze Trump's leadership style and charismatic influence, providing us with a deeper understanding of the dynamics of devotion and loyalty within the MAGA movement. The dangers of extremism will be the central theme. We will identify the extremist tendencies within the MAGA movement and explore the processes of radicalization that lead to hostile behavior. 4. Additionally, Dr. Hassan will share strategies for engaging with hostile and extremist MAGA Republicans. Education and deprogramming techniques will be the core focus. We will recognize the importance of education in countering cult-like beliefs, and Dr. Hassan will introduce us to various deprogramming techniques aimed at helping individuals affected by the MAGA movement. Through case studies and success stories, we will witness the potential for recovery and transformation. 5. He delves into the complex relationship between religion, extremism, and cults. Dr. Hassan explores the connection between religious fundamentalism and extremist beliefs, with a particular emphasis on Christian nationalism and its influence on the MAGA movement. Criticizing extremist beliefs without attacking religious freedom will be an essential part of our discussion. He has provided us with a historical context and socio-political implications of the MAGA movement. We will understand the founding principles of the United States and critically analyze claims of a Christian foundation, considering their implications. Dr. Hassan will guide us in examining the impact of the MAGA movement on human rights, democracy, and social cohesion. 6. Truth and reconciliation will be the focus of explore strategies for fostering dialogue and understanding between opposing groups. Dr. Hassan emphasizes the importance of self-forgiveness and compassion in the aftermath of extremist movements. 7. He also explores the role of education and critical thinking in preventing future cult-like movements. 8. He discusses building a resilient democracy. 9. He will explore the role of youth and education in shaping the future of democracy, and Dr. Hassan will share strategies for promoting democratic values, inclusivity, and diversity. Engaging with the next generation will be crucial in preventing the rise of cult-like movements. Throughout this journey, Dr. Hassan's extensive body of work, including books such as The Cult of Trump, Combating Cult Mind Control, and Releasing the Bonds, empowering people to think for themselves. Motivation at Hand draws upon the insightful discussions from the podcasts, books, lectures, and other relevant news resources. We have the privilege of exploring the profound insights of Dr. Stephen Hassan, a leading expert in cults and mind control. 10. Through his work, we will gain a deeper understanding of the intricate dynamics within the cult of Trump and its implications for our society. Let us embark on this journey of knowledge and self-discovery, striving to reclaim our autonomy and humanity amidst the challenges we face. In conclusion, Dr. Stephen Hassan's research and insights offer us an opportunity to gain a deeper understanding of the complexities surrounding the cult of Trump and its impact on our society. His work encourages us to question, evaluate, and reclaim our individual autonomy and humanity amidst the chaos. Let us embark on this journey of knowledge and self-discovery as we navigate the challenges ahead. Thank you, and I wish you all a thought-provoking and enlightening experience. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.